So boys and girls, earlier we learned about facts and opinions, and we used the story, the true story of the three little pigs in order to differentiate between facts and opinions. Now we're going to do something a little bit different, but we're still going to talk about facts and opinions. First, we're going to start by listening to this song that tells you some facts about plants.
Just like so, and it needs soil just like so. Plants need space, they can't be tied. Plants need space, they can't be tied. The sun helps plants by giving light. The sun helps plants by giving light. Don't forget to give plants air. Don't forget to give plants air. Repeat the needs if you dare. Repeat the needs if you dare. Need one, water. Need two, soil. Need three, space.
So that was just a cute little song about some of the things that plants need in order to live. So can anybody raise their hand and tell me one thing, a fact about a plant that they need in order to survive? Yes.
Water.
Plants need water, that's correct. Do you have a fact about plants?
Soil.
They need soil in order to live and grow in. Yeah, you're right. Now, when we talked about the story, the true story of the three little pigs earlier, can you remember a fact or an opinion that we found on that worksheet that we did?
The fact is that the name of the book was The True Story of the Three Little Pigs.
Yeah, exactly. And how about an opinion? Do you have an opinion?
The wolf is a mean wolf.
Yeah, that would be an opinion. Why would that be an opinion?
Because only one people think that. They don't know that.
They don't know that. That's right. And can you give me an opinion about the book?
Opinion would be the book of the Three Little Pigs is true.
It's true. Yeah, that'd be an opinion. Because can we prove that?
No.
No, we can't, can we? All right. So when we talk about facts, like the facts about the plants that we just heard, or the facts about the story, what is something that are similar about those facts? When we state facts, what makes them facts? Whether we're talking about the book or we're talking about the plants.
There's proof to back it up.
There's proof, exactly. And where could you find that proof when we're talking about that plants need soil?
Internet.
The internet, yeah. We could read it in a book. In our science book, it talks about it. Do you remember our?
Yeah.
Yep, we had a unit on plants a little while ago. Yeah. Yeah. And what did you notice about the facts, either about the book or about the plants?
I noticed that they're all true.
That they're all true. But how do you know that they're true?
They have, either you can back it up in the book by going back and looking up that the wolf's name was Alexander T. Wolf.
Exactly, yeah, you can prove it. So does that mean that opinions aren't true?
Not always.
Not always, no. If you think that the book was a good book, is that an opinion?
Yeah.
Yeah, but is it a true opinion?
To me.
Yeah, exactly. To you it is. It is a true opinion. So facts and opinions can both be true. But the difference between a fact is, like you guys told me, you can prove a fact and you can't prove an opinion. You can't prove that the book is a good book, can you? No, you just like it. That's all you know. But you can prove that the name of the book is The True Story of the Three Little Pigs. So that's a fact. Do we understand that a little bit? All right. So now we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to use the rule that we just decided, that facts can be proven. We can check them, we can go find the information somewhere, or for instance, if I say that the sky is blue, you can prove to me that the sky is blue by going outside, can't you? Or I can prove it to you. Yeah. So facts either have to be proved or they can be checked. Okay? So I want you two to work together, and I have two statements here. One is a fact and one is an opinion. I want you to talk about these two statements. I want you to decide which one you think is the fact and which one you think is the opinion. So go ahead and do that now.
So that's the fact. That's opinion.
Talk about why.
This one says should. So, I mean, it's just his opinion whether they should or shouldn't.
Yeah, great observation. Should is an opinion word.
I just know that plants grow from seeds.
Yeah, you know that how?
From
Growing them.
science books.
From growing them in our experiments, from science books, exactly. We know that most plants grow from seeds. That's exactly right. You guys did fantastic. So, now we're going to take what you've learned about facts and opinions and we're going to apply it to this. This is called a cluster map. And what a cluster map does is it has a topic at the top. And today our topic is what?
Plant.
Exactly. And underneath, coming off of our topic, are our big ideas. And we have two big ideas. What are our big ideas for today?
Facts and opinions.
Yeah, that's what we've been talking about, isn't it? Yep. So, the one attached to the facts, this bubble, is going to have three facts, three statements that are facts about plants. Do you see how they're all connected then? Okay. So then over here, we have three blank lines, and we're going to put three statements there that are opinions about plants. And those are all connected too. And this helps us organize our thoughts or our ideas. It gives us a way to look at what we're doing and visualize it. Okay? So, I'm going to give you both one of these. And then in these bags that I have are 6 statements. And as you can see, we need 6 statements, 3 facts and 3 opinions. And I want you to separate the facts and opinions. And I'm going to give you a glue stick and I want you to glue them down. Make sure you're sharing. So, Brett, I see that you have under the facts bubble that plants collect energy from the sunlight. Why did you decide that was a fact?
Because I know it to be true. Because I read about it and I've been told it.
Yeah.
And I saw it in that little video we just watched.
And could you prove it to somebody?
If I needed to,
How would you prove it?
I would take a plant, put it in a flower pot, give it everything else it needs except for sun, and see if it lives.
Oh, that's a great way to prove it. You would do an experiment. So you might put it in like a dark closet or something, and that would prove to people, look, it died. It needs sunlight. Good idea. And Troy, I see that you have over here that thorny plants are annoying. You put that under the opinion category. Why did you think that was an opinion?
Because only some people might not think they're annoying.
Yeah, some people might think they're kind of cool.
Yeah.
All right. So today we talked about facts and opinions. We talked about it with the story and then again with plants. And we're kind of getting the idea now maybe that every topic can have facts and opinions attached to it, can't it?
Yep.
Yeah. Does it matter if we're talking about just stories or just plants?
No.
No, we could talk about other topics and we could come up with facts and opinions. You guys recalled the information we learned from the book, and we put all of that information together to make this great cluster map that shows us the difference between facts and opinions when it comes to plants. You did fantastic today. Thank you. Can you hit stop?
You want to go, bud?